Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word coaching. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She enrolled in a coaching program to improve her leadership skills. Coaching is the process of guiding and supporting an individual to achieve personal or professional goals, often through structured sessions and feedback. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.